This do-it-yourself headband game for Christmas will surely be a hit. This is a step-by-step tutorial on how to make the game. So come on, let's go have some fun. These free printable game cards make this an easy game to make. You just print them off on cardstock, get out your colored pens or pencils or crayons, and gather your peeps around you. Get some hot chocolate probably, and you can color them in just for some extra together time. Then cut the cards apart and you're ready to play your game. You're going to put those face down in the middle of your playing area. So we're going to slip them into our homemade headband, which is what we're going to create next. So just take a piece of paper, fold it in half hot dog style, and then fold it in half again hot dog style. You'll cut those into strips and tape them together into a ring that's going to fit around your head. Now the whole point of this game is that you're going to put a card up into your headband, and I'll show you how in just a second. And of course you need to draw the card and put it up there without seeing what the picture is. So then you ask the person to your left, and around the circle you ask them questions about what you might be. These are all Christmas things, which makes it pretty fun for Christmas, of course, but you can do other occasions as well for birthdays and such. There I am trying on my ring and seeing if it's the right size. So that's kind of funny. But then once you have this all taped together in a ring, you're going to cut some little slits in the headband so that the card will fit down in there. And that's how it stays put when you lift it up to your forehead. This is a fun game to play. We're going to do it with our family this Christmas. Papa has played this with me, and you'll see a picture of him in a second. He wasn't too thrilled to be in a picture, but he was thrilled to wish you all a Merry Christmas from Nana and Papa. So this is how to make your own do-it-yourself headband game for Christmas. Come on over to Welcome to Nana's and join the fun.